So we're at Creek Campground, and this is on, I think, I don't know, must be Caesar Creek in Ohio. And people are driving by and waving. We have a reservation?
Alright, what's the site number?
Oh, that's a good question. I think it's 165.
What the hell?
Yes, it is.
It's a beautiful dog.
Oh, thanks. There's two of them.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute. What kind of dog is that?
They're chow chows.
Yeah. They're trying to come here. Like they're adorable. Oh, they're so cute. Alright, the white tag just goes up on the electrical post too, and then the yellow tag are just car passes.
Okay. Thank you. Hi everybody, I'm Randy from Zephyr's Travels, and this week we're coming to you from Caesar Creek State Park in Ohio. It is just east of Dayton, Ohio, and we are here for a couple days. It's convenient to go to the National Air Force Museum, and so we're going to head over there and visit that. But also, it's just, we came from here from Aluminapalooza, so we're in the Ohio area, and it seemed like a nice place to spend a few days, so we're here for about 3-4 days. It seems to be a pretty nice campground. It is electric only, so don't expect full hookups. Become prepared for a water tank and empty gray and black tanks so that you can have capacity for the week or your length of stay. We typically can do 3 to 4 days without needing to replenish our water or empty our tanks, so we'll be good for what amount of stay we're going to have here. It is a nice, it seems to be very, very quiet campground. There's not a lot of noise. The sites are all very good size, and in the loop that we're in, there's only sites on the outside of the loop. There's nothing in the center. It's all wooded area. There seems to be a lot of hiking trails and boating nearby. So I don't know, hopefully we're going to try to get the kayak in the water at some point while we're here. Then we're going to get the bikes out and take a ride around, and we'll take you on that bike ride and so we can show you the campground that way. So there is a boat launch here at Caesars Creek State Park. You can see right behind me. You can bring your boat down here and launch it. This is probably where we bring the kayak down. This is where we'll bring it and launch it here. Looks like a nice little lake to go boating on, or creek, river. I'm not sure exactly what it is. Kind of a scenic place, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Comes another jet ski.
So there's a swimming and beach area right behind me that you can take advantage of while you're here. I think I read someplace this is the only beach in the state of Ohio at a state park. Not sure about that, but it might make sense. How's your bike ride?
Good.
Good?
Uh-huh.
That's good.
Not too windy.
No?
Yeah.
Oh, your hair might say something different.
Oh, okay.
So what did you think of Caesars Creek Campground?
I thought it was nice. It was nice and clean, and the camping spots were very nice. They were all paved and very clean.
They're very roomy. You weren't right on top of your neighbor.
Right. The park was big enough so you could take a nice bike ride, and we went down to the boat launch. Unfortunately, we didn't get an opportunity to go kayaking.
Yeah.
But it is a nice boat launch, plenty of area to park, and it also has a beach there where you can go swimming, which was nice.
Yeah, and the sites were, we had electric only with the sites that we were on, and it seemed to be the way most of the sites were electric only. They do have dump stations, so you can take care of that. They do have water that you can fill your tank with, but you can't be hooked up to it. So they have water stations there. You know, we like state parks because, you know, they're very reasonable for what you get. And this one was about $30 a night. You reserve it through, I think it's Reserve America. Let's see, what is it? Yeah, it's so you can reserve it through Reserve America, and it's Caesars State Park in Ohio. It's just about 30 miles outside of Dayton, Ohio, and it's on Caesars Creek, and it's actually the creek is dammed, so it's actually Caesars Lake at that area. I looked that up on the internet. We didn't know that at the time.
Right.
So it is actually a lake, and it's kind of a reservoir area that they use to catch the winter snow melt and runoff and from the spring, so that the areas don't flood during the springtime, and they control the water better. But it's a very nice campground, and highly would recommend that one if you're in that area. If you're going to the U.S. Air Force Museum, it's very close to that. It's very convenient for staying, you know, and getting to that, which is why we were there, because that was a trip that we took later and will be a future video. But otherwise, I think it was a really nice place, and really enjoyed our stay there.
Right. It was really nice. So I would recommend it, and if we get the opportunity, we'd probably stay there again.
Yeah, and they are open year round, so I guess they do have winter camping there. So if you wanted to go in the winter, you could.
which is
not something we would do.
which is nice for those of you that like the snow and cold.
Right, exactly. Yep.
Okay.
All right. Well, if you're new to our videos, we'd like it if you would do what?
Subscribe.
And ring the little bell so that you get notifications when we post new videos. We try posting new videos every week. And if you like this video, what should they do?
Subscribe.
No, thumbs up.
Oh, I'm sorry. Thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up.
And leave us a comment. We love to hear from you. We like to hear from our subscribers and viewers. So leave us a comment. And until our next video, we always say,
We'll see you down the road.
bye, everybody.
Bye.